Good morning everybody and welcome back to the Museum of Cornish Life in Helston. My name's Rachel and I'm the curatorial intern here at the museum. Now, as it is National Gardening Week, we thought we would celebrate all things horticultural by taking a look at our gardening section. So I'm just going to turn you around 1 second. There we go. Okay, so let's start by having a look at some lovely lawnmowers. So this is an Atco petrol-driven lawnmower. So perhaps not as easy to use as ones you might find in your garage nowadays. You can see the branding on the side there, it says Atco. And this is a push lawnmower made by Flexer Lawnmower Company in Woking. So you can see, oh, it's a little bit dark, but you can see the wheels on the side there. So it would have worked in a slightly different way. Now on this wall we have some Cornish shovels and this one is actually taller than I am, so I cannot imagine what it would be like to lift. And of course, being the Museum of Cornish Life, we couldn't get away with not having a scythe, could we? Here we go. Again, probably very difficult to lift. And here we've got a pair of pre-war secateurs. And one thing I'd really like to show you is this bee smoker. So basically, it would have subdued the bees in order for the honeycomb to be removed without anybody getting stung. And on a similar vein, we have a honey extractor here. So basically, we've got a little lever and the honeycomb would have been spun round and the honey would have flung off, and basically it means that you could get the honey without the honeycomb being destroyed. Now up here we've got some lovely watering cans and also this chick incubator from the 1920s. It would have been used to keep the chicks nice and warm. And similarly, this is a chick lamp made by Millers, which again would have been used to keep the young chickens warm. Over on this side, we have a glorious scarecrow, still widely used today. And this is a Victorian parlour dome. So it's basically a floral decoration made of paper and cloth and I think some wax as well. But it's lasted really, really well. And in this cabinet, I want to show you this magazine down here. So I'm hoping it will focus. There we go. So it is the Small Holder and Home Gardening magazine from February 3rd, 1940. I don't know if you can see at the top, but it says The War Food Growing Weekly, Success Secrets for Chicken Rearers, which is really lovely. And make sure that there will be no shortage of greens next winter. Okay. And I'd also like to finish by just showing you this lovely painting. So we bought this out of the art store this morning and it's Cornish Flower Cellar in Wartime. It's a framed oil on canvas by Doris Thomas of Coverack. So it's really lovely, and I think he's got some daffodils there, bringing a little bit of life and colour to some challenging times. Okay, so that is all from us at the Museum of Cornish Life. I hope you've enjoyed having a look at our gardening bay. We'll be back tomorrow with something crafty you can do to keep yourself busy in lockdown, but for the time being, take care.